Remember last time we defeated the Ender Dragon, but at the end something creepy happened. And is the face gone? Where did the face thing go?
You're still there. You just can't see it.
But we were fighting the Ender Dragon like a couple of seconds ago, or probably a couple minutes ago. We just started this next video, and creepy stuff were happening after it. I wanted to go in the portal. For some reason, I can't see my arm. Can't break anything. Like, look, see it? Can't break anything. But see it? It's weird. It's glitching. Real XP was randomly jumping, spawning for no reason. Noises of XP were there for some reason. It was playing creepy music, playing glitching music. It was scary. I didn't know what's going on, but I was freaked out, kind of. I don't know. But today, I don't know what we're doing, but I know we're doing something exciting. We're gonna discover some more in the Ender. Subscribe and give a like if you want to see me do more cool things. Let's go! I'm the Ender. Remember last time we were here, we tried to go over there. Tried to go in, it didn't let us. We tried to break it, wouldn't work. And today, we're going to discover more. Number 1, the egg. Who are you? What are you? Oh, egg. Where'd it go? Wait, I can't break, so how am I going to take it? Number 1, I know how you do it. You break a block. I don't really remember, but I know it's something with a torch. You break it under. It has to go under the ground, under there. Well, I don't know. Let's stop disappearing. I feel like it's leading me somewhere. Where are you leading me to? Where'd it go? Where are you leading me, egg? Guys, I think this is leading me somewhere. Well, I don't think, but I feel like it. It's like going. It's leading me to the edge. Guys, if you think this is creepy and you think it's actually leading me somewhere, subscribe. If you think it's not, like I probably kind of do. See? That glitching music. That's so creepy. It's happening again. Where did the egg go? It was just here a minute ago, and I turned around. I remember. I don't have bad memory. I'm not lying. I think I just saw it there. It's nowhere. Right when I heard the creepy glitching music, and I turned around, look over there, to see if there was anything there, like a glitchy guy. Like, I'm not alone in the server, but I could be. But I am alone in the server, just like that. But I turned around. Then I looked back, and the dragon egg was gone. It's nowhere. It disappeared. Where did it go?
I feel like you already grabbed the dragon egg.
No, you can't grab it. You have to do something. It's like a torch thing. You put it underground and then do a torch thing. I feel like I saw something floating in the sky like the dragon egg. This is so creepy. I heard the glitching noise. I looked back at here, and then I looked back and the dragon egg was gone. I know I just saw it there, and then I looked back when the glitching noise started. And
Maybe
I
it
looked
glitched
back,
out.
and it went away.
Maybe a digital gnome stole it.
I'm being serious.
I know you are. I don't know what happened. Maybe the game glitched out. It's hard to say.
It could be a glitchy guy. It could be Herobrine. It's probably not Herobrine because he's not a glitchy guy. He just scary stuff like spawns creepers randomly in your world. And he's usually spotted easily. Nobody's here. I don't know what to do. Explore. I just do more things. The only time that
Well, we already killed the dragon, dude.
Yeah, but it's creepy still.
We already killed the dragon.
How is this not weird? You're messing with the Ender Dragon egg, and it's leading you somewhere, and then you hear, and you're just hitting the egg and following it, and then you randomly hear a creepy sound. You look back, and it stops, and then you look back at where the egg was, and it's gone. Like someone took it, or someone made it disappear. It's probably a hacker hacked in the account or something. You know, hackers hack you all the time, right?
Yeah, it's possible.
It could be a hacker, or it could be a ghost.
It's an egg hack.
I don't know what an egg hacker or egg hacker, whatever. Oh, an egg hacker. Egg. But I said this video is going to be entertaining. This is going to be a scary video. It's probably my only scary video. Or I had a scary one. I don't see anything else to do that make anything scary. Except this water. The egg's missing. I looked everywhere. The egg's not anywhere. The egg should still be here somewhere, and I could hit it in a spot somewhere else. No, I'm not. The egg is seriously gone. Where did it go? This is so creepy. Yep, I'm out of here. Next time I come here, the egg better be here. Next time I come here, it might be here. Why do I always find here? The beds. Yeah, the beds. Why is wherever you go, the beds are? My dad's probably talking about the creepy stuff.
Oh my god.
Lying about sheep. Get out of the way, please.
Oh wait.
But I was serious with that. Nothing. I think the great idea to explore this is that if he's only in the glitchy guy, whoever that person is, it's doing something to my world, I guess. And there, in the Ender, is probably only in there, or he's following me around. And he only messes with me and scares me if I'm in a cave. So probably if I go in that cave, creepy stuff might happen, because I'm just exploring. Imagine I'm just walking around as a hero grinding them. Okay, actually I'm really scared. This is actually scary. Oh. It's just bats. I'm gonna see it. What is it? That was it. There's something creepy here. I'll go out to Ender and see if he's probably in there forever. It's probably a guy trapped in the inn and can't escape. What? How can't he escape? You just go out. Egg's still not here. Imagine I look over here and the egg's back there. Someone definitely stole the egg. Wait, it could be on one of here. Where did my egg go? Where? Wait, what's that hole? We did not dig a hole there. I was flying down here. I feel like I just saw something over there. I feel like I just saw something there. Yeah, I was going towards the hole. It was probably just that the stars moving, or something was actually there. Oh, not the music again. This is when creepy stuff starts happening. Did I just see something over there again? It's fine. This gate here. Someone digged a hole here. Wasn't me. None of us probably ever there. Because that probably wasn't like that. Because look, no holes, just bumps. That wasn't naturally there. Well, it's not that creepy or natural, but it's a sign. These are signs. It could be just part of it. And I just saw a dot there. Someone was like running there. But these are signs. We don't really know if this game is haunted. These are signs of it being haunted. Like, this can't naturally spawn here. A hole, it can't naturally spawn there. There's no holes anywhere else. It's the only hole in this server, I guess. And then the egg completely disappeared. And that creepy music. It could be part of the game. The hole could naturally spawn here for some reason. And I don't have arms for some reason because the game is glitching. And probably the game's not haunted. But these are signs. We don't know. But it could be haunted. Usually in YouTube videos, if something's haunting happen, stuff like this happens when your game's haunted. Wait, what's that? I felt like that's a good. It looked like a house over here. It's like, imagine a creepy house is over there. This is so cool. Okay, if do I spot? I'm going back in there, and it has to be something new. Already found the egg. I found the egg. Then I found a hole in the ground. And what's that? It's so scary. I just heard something. I heard talking. Probably from the schemer. Did y'all hear anything strange? I did not kill an animal. And it's no longer there for the die in. Where did that egg come from? Where did those feathers come from? I just picked up the egg. See? Egg! 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 What kind of egg? Oh, I just found it. I did not kill anyone. My dad doesn't like us killing animals in this game. We don't kill animals. Where did the egg come from? Where did the feathers come from? Where did the meat come from? I didn't see anything creepy in this world lately, but in the Nether. This is creepy. I'm out of here. So maybe it's by the internet. I just found out. He probably escaped. If he was trapped in the end. He's probably following us. Imagine it's a trap. Go in this cave. I don't remember this torture's there. My dad put it. There's there. I just saw something die. I know it was by the lava, but I know it didn't touch the lava. Dad! Dad!
Yeah.
I know the animal was by the lava, but he didn't touch the lava. He just randomly died. And it's animal. I saw feathers. Wait, those feathers were just already there. I saw something die right here. And then I got an egg. It was laying on the ground randomly.
And
then something died there.
Pit that didn't exist before.
Oh, was that from that?
Yeah,
but
put lava in an environment, it's gonna kill some of the native habitat.
But the materials they drop are
Are you
not.
guys looking at bacteria over there?
No, not bacteria. The stuff they drop, like the meats. This stuff, I
Those
don't know what that
words
is.
or bacteria? Is that a map?
No. Just makes sense. These. The stuff they drop, like eggs.
You need to calm down, dude.
These were laying not in the lava. If it died in the lava, it would be laying in the lava.
That makes sense.
And it wasn't laying in the lava. So they didn't die in the lava. And I didn't kill anything. Because I don't kill animals in your worlds.
Good.
So I'm trying to say, are things probably haunted? I see millions of things. The egg just appeared. It was a hole in the ground. Holes are not natural. Holes can't be naturally spawned in. Well, they can, but not in the nether. It's all no holes in the nether. But for some reason I saw a hole. We didn't break anything over there. We never went over there. And what else? No hand. Glitchy music. Can't. It's fine. You're not supposed to see your feet. Well, we can see our character. But
So if you can't plant a seed,
It's
you can't
other
harvest
stuff.
a turnip.
why are you saying that? It doesn't make sense. The first time I saw creepy stuff wasn't. I even felt like I saw people. I feel like I saw things too. Like things moving my head. And the guy, it was probably in there, probably escaped from the portal. Why is wool laying around right here? It's not even in the lava. I just found another clue. Dad, look. Dad, you need to see this. Right there. It's not in the lava. If it died in the lava, it would probably be in the lava like this. Like, look, I died. Had you ever played Minecraft and you died? Had you ever noticed wherever you die is where your stuff fall at? And the creature, if he died in lava, his stuff will be in the lava. But if he died on land, his stuff will be on land. Oh, it's playing creepy music! Oh, it stopped. It sounded like it's about to play creepy music. I was like, no. Dad! For real, you need to see this! Dad! You need to see this. I'm serious. The sheep did not die in the lava. He died right there. The lava's right there. I didn't kill a sheep.
Maybe they're just dying because it's so hot.
Yeah, but they can't happen.
It's just so hot right now.
Look, I'm gonna go on survival right now, and I'm not gonna die. I'm showing you. Look. That would be too realistic. Look, I'm not dying. I'm safe. I'm not taking damage. I'm smarter than you think. I know a wolf could have attacked it, but we never see wolves in here. And I don't really think a wolf attacked it. Or
That hurts.
okay. Well, this is a creepy video. Why am I breaking blocks? I'm gonna go check out the pillage village. Try a haunted pillager lives there. It's way more scary. Scary stuff over there. Dad! That's so creepy! Dad? I need to tell you something. It was one horse there. Then other horses. But Dad, are you listening to me? Are you? Are you, Dad? It was one horse, and other horses randomly came out of it. The horse multiplied and made a bunch more horses, and then went back into it. The horse was multiplying, and then it went back to normal. You don't think this serious. Like if a ghost was in your house, would you think it's serious? Or you'd just be funny? If you were actually watching, you would believe me. You probably don't believe me because you weren't looking. Until you watched the whole entire video, you'll believe me. You believe all. Did that cow go over there, or did it just multiply a cow? Well, that's like a haunted horse or something. A horse just spawned randomly. This village is so creepy. I'm probably yelling too much. I bet I'm gonna go see. I bet I'm gonna see another creepy thing. I bet if my dad doesn't believe me, it's none of this stuff, but it's probably more stuff. You've probably seen Herobrine in the background, other guys. You've probably seen creepy stuff in the background. Yeah, it's not working. I'm looking everywhere. I don't see anything suspicious anymore. I'm safe right now. Just cats. Can you trade? Yeah, I don't have any else. I can